Hi everybody, welcome to Techvision Academy. In this video, I will be showing you on how to use callback function. So I'll be creating an example on how to use it. In previous video, we talked about what callback function is, and I cited an example that we didn't make use of callback function. But in this aspect, we'll be doing an example on callback function. Let's go. So because we already created one here, now create another example without callback function. So with callback function, I will have to comment that out so it won't affect what we are doing. So we'll say with callback dot JSX. So inside this with callback for JS from the dot JSX, we're going to say import React from React, and beside it, we're going to import use state, and we are also going to import use callback from React. Then after that, we're going to say const button equals to React dot memo, and inside it, we'll say on click, comma text. Then inside it, we'll have an arrow function. And inside this arrow function, we'll say console.log. We'll check this one in our terminal. And inside it, we'll say text. Then outside the text, we'll say button rendered. Then after it, we're going to say return. Would have a button, and inside this button we'll say on click equals to, say text. Then outside this button, we're going to create a function. Inside this function, it will be function with callback, and inside it, we are going to say const count1, comma set count1 equals to use state, and this that use state, it will be 0. We also do the same for const count2, and we'll say set count2 equals to use state. Then inside this use state, we'll say 0. Then inside it, we'll say const click 1 equals to use callback. So in this case, we're making use of callback. Use callback, and inside it would have an arrow function, which will say set count1. Then inside it will say, and inside it will say count1 plus 1. Then we will say set count1. And we'll also do the same for count2. Say const click 2 equals to use callback, and inside this use callback, we'll say set count2, say count2 plus 1, and we'll say set count2. Then inside it, we'll say CLG, that is console.log parent rendered. They will not say return. And inside this return would have a div, and inside this div will say with use callback back. Then after that, we'll have a p tag. Then inside this p tag, we'll say count one equals to count one. We also have another p tag. Inside this p tag, we'll say count two equals to count two. After that, we'll have a button. And inside this button, we'll have this. And inside this button, we'll say on click equals to undo click one. Then the text will be button one. We also do the same. Let's just duplicate this. So instead of button one, we'll say button two. Button two. So now let's export our function. Export default with callback. Now let's come to our app.jsx and we'll say yes. And we'll come here, we'll say with callback. Okay, now let's import it here. Say import with callback from with callback. Now let's as well import it here as well with callback. So now let's check our results. So as you can see, we have with the use of callback. If I click on one, can you see rendered? Button two, how many times? So with the help of with callback function, it makes it easier for us to render it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to follow us across all socials at Techisread Academy. See you next time. Bye.